As Commissioner for both the Environment and Maritime and Fisheries Policy, I believe we have a unique opportunity before us to illustrate that community-led local development in coastal communities is the way forward. This afternoon, I am looking forward to touring the exhibition area and celebrating your successes.
Our project is about water workshop.
We've been going organic, now we produce organic carbon.
The young generation is not very much attracted to fisheries sector. We should make it as a modern job opportunities also for young generation.
The new maritime economic sectors are starting to compete with the traditional sectors. So in these coming years, the flags, they could play a key role in developing what we can say smart synergies.
Basically, we offer
Io vorrei che i flag fossero in tutte le coste europee, quindi dove ancora non ci sono, ci fossero, in modo che le istituzioni a tutti i livelli li considerassero dei veri e propri soggetti di governance.
This is the last chance for you to vote on the next project using the orange fish baskets.
So we're basically going to vote for one environmental project, best social project and the best economic project. Okay?
Excelente ejemplo de diversificación.
This is the big moment. So, we have got 3 awards.
Yesterday we heard about how much Access 4 has achieved. Over the course of the next few hours, the discussion has been structured around 5 challenges which we think will help you deliver on more ambition, more innovation and adopting a broader vision.
La reforma de la política común de pesca ha supuesto cambios muy importantes, es un hecho histórico importante, es un antes y un después.
Il y a plusieurs années maintenant que l'Union européenne a lancé une politique maritime intégrée ambitieuse. Est-ce que cette évolution est une menace pour les communautés littorales ou est-ce que c'est au contraire une opportunité?
At the moment we're having a workshop on blue growth. I'm learning a lot about the different types of blue growth and the different ways that flags works as well and some of the problems.
The oceans are warming fast. And the oceans are also getting more acidic as well. All this drives enormous change in marine ecosystems. But it's not just fisheries that are at risk. Coastal communities are at risk.
Many issues, many challenges, but a clear recognition that there's a local realism and understanding on how they can be addressed locally.
In 2013, unemployment stood at 11% in the EU 28, with certain fisheries areas reporting unemployment of up to 40%.
Indeed, maybe I come across to Joy just for a comment on this creating jobs, reducing poverty agenda.
Generational unemployment, young people leaving school with no qualifications, all those things are real issues in the local economy, and we have started bringing fishermen together with young people, with the partners in the local college and the university, to give our young people some sense of what's going on their doorstep.
And the final challenge is the synergies with the other funds. What's interesting to see is how many member states are really trying to push for creating more value for money by adopting an integrated local approach across various funds.
Actually, in France, we are working on the new strategy for between 2014 and 2020, and so we want to get some ideas. Maybe we could develop on our territory.
We wish you all the best for your new generation of projects. You've got lots to go for. There are terrific opportunities ahead. Seize them. Thank you very much.